5 Best Espresso Machines. Number 5. Hamilton Beach 40792. 15-bar Italian pump for excellent extraction. Patented slide and lock filter holder makes setup easy. Swiveling steam wand for steaming and frothing milk. Removable water reservoir and drip tray. Item weight, 9.37 pounds. Pressure pump for excellent extraction and rich crema. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 4. Dello DEC 680M. Sleek design provides outstanding espresso. Stainless steel construction. Cappuccino frothing system provides barista quality foam. It has sturdy stainless steel construction. Item weight, 9.3 pounds. Make sure the water tank is secure in place. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 3. Dello DEC 680M. Semi-automatic 3-in-1 espresso maker, cappuccino maker, and latte maker. 15-bar pump system brews rich tasting espresso coffee. One-touch control panel for drink selections. Item weight, 10.37 pounds. Easy fill, removable water, and milk reservoirs. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 2. Dagia Classic. Pungarella wand frothing for cappuccinos. Perfect for both espresso beginners. The internal sleeve must be correctly installed. Providing easy filling and cleaning. Hassle-free 1-year warranty. Features a removable 72 ounces water reservoir. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 1. Breville Bess 870XL. 1600W thermocoil heating system. 15-bar Italian pump. Optimal espresso extraction temperature. Stainless steel conical burr grinder. Item weight, 23 pounds. Newer model of the Breville Bess 860XL Barista Express. Please check the description for detail and price.